Alright. Hi, fellow grade 10. Hi, fellow grade 10 P students. We are the group 3, and here today we are going to talk about our topic. You are watching one, or maybe one. You are watching one of maybe 2 or 3 videos coming up. I hope that you will understand what our topic is about and you will have fun learning. Okay, you will have fun learning. Adios, good luck. Mag-quiz tayo ni kumalan eh.
Coordinated functions of the nervous system,
endocrine system,
and reproductive system.
These are our objectives for our lesson. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify parts of the human nervous, endocrine, and reproductive systems, describe the functions of each part of the nervous, endocrine, and reproductive systems, cite the importance of hormones involved in the human endocrine and reproductive systems.
Endocrine system, known as the chemical messenger system, is composed of several glands that secrete hormones. It has a wide range of function which includes respiration, metabolism, reproduction, sensory perception, movement, sexual development, and growth.
It is composed of several glands and each has a very specific vital role. These include the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovaries for females, and testes for males.
the pituitary gland, known as the master gland, controls the function of other glands and stimulates growth.
thyroid gland, situated below the rachis or voice box, regulated metabolism, muscle and detective function, brain development, and bone maintenance.
Parathyroid gland, located in the neck behind the butterfly-shaped thyroid gland, controls calcium level in the bloodstream and normalizes bone growth.
Thymus gland,
Two identical sized lobes found behind the sternum of breastbone facilitates maturation of T cells, which is an important part of the immune system.
Pancreas, long, flat gland that lies horizontally behind your stomach, produces enzymes that break down sugars, fat, starches, regulating blood sugar. Adrenal gland, located on top of both kidneys, regulates metabolism, immune system, blood pressure, and response to stress, prepares the body for action.
Ovaries, besides the uterus on each side of the lower abdomen, produces reproductive cells and influences female traits.
testes, two small organs found inside the scrotum, influence smell, characteristics, and produce sperm, need for reproduction and of offspring.
Nervous system. The nervous system is composed of a complex collection of nerves and specialized cells that transmit signals of the different part of the body. Its two major components are central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Mana?
The cells of nervous system, called nerve cells or neurons, are specialized to carry message through an electromechanical process.
These are the parts of a nerve cell or a typical neuron. These are dendrites, the nucleus, the cell body, the axon, Schwann cells,
myelin sheath, the node of Janvier, and the axon terminals. The nervous system is divided into two major divisions: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of two components: the spinal cord and the brain. Then the brain is divided into three main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The peripheral nervous system is divided into two main divisions: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is divided into two main parts: the spinal nerves and the cranial nerves, while the autonomic is subdivided into sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system.
Reproductive system. The reproductive system is a collection of internal and external organs involved in sexual reproduction for both men and women.
Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system produces egg cells, which are called ova or oocytes, to be fertilized and to provide a space and condition which will allow the growth and development of new offspring. It is made of the following parts. The oviduct or fallopian tube serves as a passageway of eggs from the ovary to the uterus, site of fertilization. The endometrium is the membrane lining the uterus that thickens during menstrual cycle in preparation for possible implantation of an embryo. The uterus is the site of egg implantation. It is where the fertilized egg develops and allows the baby to grow. The cervix is the narrow end of the uterus which forms a canal between uterus and vagina. The vagina is a muscular tube leading from the external genitals to the cervix of the uterus in women and most female mammals. And the ovaries produces eggs.
Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of a number of organs that is responsible of discharging semen, which contains the sperm cells within the female reproductive tracts during copulation, plays a vital role in the human reproduction.
It consists of these parts: the vas deferens, the prostate gland, the urethra, the epididymis, the penis, the testes, scrotum, erectile tissue, seminal vesicle, ureter, and the bladder. Have you ever wondered why living organisms like us humans differ in height? Or why there are obese individuals? Or you may ask how you are able to respond so quick in times of distress.
Ito, ano, napak mo ka.
Hello, sorry, Ami, kung kinsa ka ba?
Katulong si John, stress.
Or maybe you ask why some of us end up having goiter.
These are all because of hormones, and especially sa mga babae nga dali ra masakop.
Hormones. These chemical messengers which has a wide range of functions which include respiration, metabolism, reproduction, sensory perception, movement, sexual development, and growth. They play an important specific role in the survival of an organism. Zdravo! Hi. So the rest of this lesson, which includes hormones in the endocrine system and how important they are in the reproductive and nervous system will be on the next video. I hope you guys learned something. And hi, Sir Gilbert. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Do widzenia.